Switching keyboard layout in Windows globally. I'm searching for a solution to switch my keyboard layout in Windows globally for all windows quickly. When I switch the current layout by pressing the magic combination Alt plus Shift, or when I choose another layout in the language bar, this only changes the layout in the current window.
Windows 8 supports this out of the box. It seems to have very good built-in keyboard layout switching functionality with the following features. Switches layout globally by default. This can be changed if necessary. Has a built-in shortcut key to change layouts, Windows plus space. This also triggers a useful notification window. This is like a keyboard layout version of Alt plus Tab. Shows you the current keyboard layout in the language bar icon. I put up with the keyboard layout problems with previous versions of Windows for a long time, and I tried all of the programs mentioned in other answers, but I never found one that solved the problem reliably. I can confidently say that Windows 8 solves the problem. Update. After spending a couple of weeks using Windows 8, I noticed that the keyboard layout seemed to intermittently be changing to a non-default one during normal use. It turned out that the problem was caused by the intrusive legacy Ctrl plus Shift and Alt plus Shift shortcuts. To fix this, do the following. Open the Language Control Panel item. Go to Advanced Settings on the left side. Go to Change Language Bar Hotkeys. Go to Change Key Sequence. Unassign the shortcuts you don't want.
I'm a bit late to this, but interested parties may like my free Switch app. Switch keyboard layouts in Windows globally. I use it all the time, and I think it's awesome. Some might say I'm biased. I'd argue that I just worked out what would be awesome, and then wrote the program that did that, so it would be odd if I thought otherwise. This URL. I use it for switching between Dvorak, when I'm using a split keyboard, and QWERTY, when I'm using an unsplit keyboard. By doing this I keep the muscle memory for both layouts separate. Stops my fingers getting too confused. Postscript, if you're feeling daring, and/or you use Windows 7 x64, you might like to try the experimental Switch 2, link is to the README. In addition to Brawler compatibility, this features command line support, so it can be integrated with Auto Hotkey, or similar, for keyboard-controlled layout switching. Due to its experimental nature, it's so far only available via GitHub, so, with apologies for the slightly ropey delivery method, visit the Switch project page, use the GitHub, download zip, button to get a zip, and find switch2.x in the switch master /switch2/bin/ folder inside the zip.
Use Kayla. It supports global layout and it switches between layouts miles quicker. I installed it on everyone's computer once I had the chance. Smile.
Try Switch It. It is a Russian program with an optional English interface. It works on Vista and Windows 7. Just keep pressing Next to install. After installation, in Properties, first item in the menu, check Use English as a user interface language and set active layout system-wide. Edit. The above link goes to a Google Translation page. This post originally linked to this Russian page.
the channel, please consider subscribing.